Hi, I'm Dr. Leela Mohan. I'm MBBS MD General Medicine Physician. I have my own center called as Padithem Healthcare, which is located in HSR. So what is this Buddha bowl? Buddha bowl is nothing but it is called as Buddha's delight and also called as Nourish bowl. So what is this Nourish bowl? Eating healthy food and good healthy eating habits like proper vegetables and proper fruits, all appropriate separation and satisfying and nutritious food which includes in this bowl. So this concept is inspired by mindfulness, balance and harmony. So this is much associated with the principles of Buddhism. So that is why it is called as Buddha bowl. So the base is usually contains of greens or green-like rice or quina, or which are serving as the foundation of the bowl, and vegetables. Vegetables nothing but variety of fresh fruits, roasted and steamed sauced vegetables, and proteins like tofu. All those things are used above the layers of this base, and healthy fats like avocado and all extra are also used. And there are proteins which they can be used like grilled chicken. All certain things also are used in this concept of this Buddha bowl. And dressing or sauce, there are a lot of healthy sauces are available which are used in making this Buddha bowl. So and garnishes like fresh herbs, sprouts and citrus vegges also forms part of this Buddha bowl. And then seasonings like seasum seeds or nutritional yeast. These all like added flavor to this texture of this all mix up of the contents in this bowl, which are mainly nutritious for the health. And it also helps in definitely your good health of the heart, and also prevents the accumulation of the cholesterol levels in your body. So Buddha bowls are generally considered as a meal option, and which is very healthy. A lot of people nowadays are showing interest in these concepts of having food in their regular meals than the normal diet. So what all are included in this? The nutrient rich, and it is also balanced diet, and it is easily customizable. Like we can easily customize like whatever you want, you can add it and remove it, all those things. Example like protein pieces like paneer or tofu, all those things. And it is also a portion control. It is not like if you wanted to make a bowl, you can make it very easily. It's not like you cooked so much and you have to finish it. If the bowl is small, your quantity also is small, which helps in keeping you healthy always. And this is also nothing but mindful eating. Like how much ever you are eating, that much it is good for the health, and it definitely controls your portion size. So automatically when the portion size is controlled, your health will be good.